G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. In the morning, the last thing you want to do is be making breakfast, but with an air fryer, it is so simple and so quick. So join me today as I make my version of how to cook bacon in an air fryer. So cooking bacon in an air fryer really doesn't get any simpler and easier than this. So into our air fryer, we're going to just lay on our bacon rashers. Now it doesn't matter if you get a little bit of overlap. So you can place them on top if you like. Just don't place them directly on top. You still want to have them a little bit separated. So we're going to cook them at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an initial 7 minutes. That smells delicious. Bacon doesn't get much better, does it? So now we're just going to flip them over, and depending on the size of your bacon, we're going to cook it for about 4 to 7 minutes. Just check halfway through. It depends how crispy you like your bacon. So if you like it extra crispy, go for the full 7 minutes. So I'm going to go for 5 and we'll just see how it shows up. Oh, now look at that delicious bacon. So all we have to do now is just remove it and place them on some paper towel just so it can soak up any excess fat. And there we have some incredibly delicious and crispy bacon cooked in an air fryer. It is really that simple. So no more oil splattering on a fry pan. Just stick it in the air fryer and it's done in no time. But let's try it. Oh man, that is so crispy, so delicious. You have to try it. It's just so simple. It takes no time at all and certainly doesn't take any effort. This definitely has to be the easiest way to cook bacon. So you can have it with eggs or any other side that you like, or just as a treat during the day, but either way, cooking bacon in an air fryer tastes simply delish.